Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to assemble your track stars. You have purchased a minimum of 2, so I have one here that's already assembled. This is what it should look like, and I'm just going to show you how to put one together. All right, let's check what we have. We have a base plate, a riser, a mount as we call it, and the top plate. You have 1 T-bar, 2 T-bolts, wrench, 4 flathead screws, 2 regular knobs with washers, 1 stud knob with a washer. So I'll just set this over here, give myself a little more room. The first thing to do is take the mount, put it on the riser. You can see that the holes line up nicely, and so you'll take your wrench. If you lose the wrench that came with this set, this is you can use a 4mm or 5/32 inch hex wrench. So this simply goes in there. Get the other one. This goes in like this. You may choose to be someone who puts a little bit of thread lock on these. It's up to you. So that's nice and snug. Now we'll put the top plate on the mount. And this is going to face this way, not this way, this way. So these holes line up here. You take your other 2 screws and get those in there. Again, thread lock is up to you. If you do a lot of sanding or something with a lot of vibration, you might want to consider that if these are going to be mounted on your table while that's happening. At the same time, just snugging them down nice and tight will probably serve you. Okay, that part is finished. So now we're just going to set this on the base plate. Notice that the holes are closer to this edge. That's the top. And so we want to mount this way, not this way. Okay, goes like this. I'm going to take a washer and put it on top of the riser, and we'll take the stud knob, and that goes right into the threaded hole in the center of the base plate, just like so. So that controls your height adjustment. That's all set. Now, we'll take the T-bar and install it in one of these 3 sets of holes. We have 3 sets. The top one is for a dashboard and any bench that has a slot set up at the same dimension from the top as a dashboard. The second set is for a typical T-slot frame with a 3/4 or 18 or 19 millimeter thick top. When I say T-slot, I'm talking about 15 series or 40 series T-slot extrusion. The bottom hole is for the Festool MFT3. So let's just put that in here. And then I'll take one of these plastic washers and put that on the stud. Same thing here. And the knobs go on. Tighten that. Tighten this one. Now, we have this T-bar, which works in most tracks. However, if you have a track that will not fit the T-bar, we have also included these T-bolts. So you would replace the T-bar with the T-bolts. They will fit just about anything. They will not fit an M6 slot. They're a little bit wider than that. So just keep that in mind. And you'll use the same knob and washer. And there's your track star, all assembled, ready to go.